Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to DFC exam preparation course. I hope you are doing well. So just in the evening only, I shoot the podcast of NTPC. You know NTPC recruitment is there. Okay. So because of which the science content I could not make today. So your science class will be not there. Tomorrow definitely we will do. Okay. So lots of things are there. When you are one, you have to do lots of things. That is, you have to schedule the videos, then podcast, then arranging them. Okay, planning, everything will be there. So the thing is that you should not pressurize by the multiple things. Okay, for your case, you should not pressurize with multiple subjects. You can handle them. Okay, you can handle them. Take them as a challenge, and definitely there is a high probability that you can make best use of it. Okay, or you can give your best. Okay, so with this learning, we will start today's lecture of your reasoning, which is your part 4, and in where we are continuing our classification. Right, classification we are doing, and we will today see the second and the third type. Okay, wait. Okay, so quickly we will finish this chapter, then tomorrow we will start with new chapter, which is small only. Okay, see, now in classification already we saw the numbers. About the numbers we saw. Here now we will see about the pairs. Okay, in simple language, simply the meaning is that the relationship. Okay, we need to identify the relationship among the two numbers. Okay, so what could be the logics? Common logics you can apply directly. So square will be there. Okay, by observation, see, develop your observation like this, that you by observation only you can identify or you can guess the logic. Okay, so just practice like this. Then cubes, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, and then miscellaneous logic will be there. We don't know that what the logic they will give. We don't know. Okay, so like this the things will be there. Okay, so see the question now, how the questions they frame. Okay, see, so again we have to find odd one out. Okay, again we have to find odd one out. Now see, 36, okay, 48, 56, 44, 78, 66 and 33, 64. Now here if I observe carefully, then square is not there, definitely. Cube is also not there. Okay, because see, I want relation, means this is 6 square, so it should be also square. It should be also square, but it is not. So this is not. Okay, so simply I will try with addition, suppose, or subtraction. See, 48 minus 36, 12. Okay, here also 56 minus 44, 12 again. 78 minus 66 again, this is 12. Correct, 12. But here I am getting how much? 1 and 3, 31. Okay, 33. Means gap is 31. So this, in this the gap is of 12, but here the gap is of 31. So this is obviously odd one out. Okay, so logic of subtraction you can say I use here. Okay, like this you can solve. Very easy types. See, second question, 8, 36, 16, 64, 36, 216 and 25, 125. Okay, now see, if I observe carefully, first logic our square. Okay, see, here 16 is square of 4. Okay, 36 is also square of 6 and 25 is also square of 5. Okay, check the next number. 64 is there. Now if this is square of 4, then I know that 64 is cube of 4. Okay, 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64. Similarly, if here 36 is 6 square, then this is your 6 cube and this is your 5 square and this is your 5 cube. Okay, but here the logic does not satisfy, so this logic I want. Okay, it's the same number having square and cube, here only cube is there, 2 cube, but definitely 36 means logic is not followed basically. So this is odd one out. Okay, our answer is odd one out. So just first logic. Okay, I can by observation I guess I got the logic. That is the main thing you should know. Okay, then the third question, see, 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 218 and 343, 512. Okay, so first step, check whether square logic satisfy or not. So square 1 and 8, okay, no. Let's take for cube. See, 1, you know 1 cube is 1. Okay, 8 means 2 cube. Okay, so I can write like this. 27, 64, I know 27 is 3 cube and 64 is your 4 cube. Okay, so I am getting the logic now. Let's confirm one more time. 125 and 218. So 218 is not what? Cube or square, anything. Okay. 343, yes, 7 cube. And 512, yes, 8 cube. Okay, so what is the logic basically? Cubes, okay, and the number different, means plus 1. Plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 7 plus 1, 8. But here, it is not satisfying, okay. It is not satisfying because 5 cube is 125, but here it should be 216, so that it will be 6 cube, okay, but it is 218, which is not the cube. So answer is C. Answer is C. Okay, C is odd one out. Now see, now any symbol they will give you like this to just make you confused or to make you uncomfortable, okay, but you are just have the confidence to solve the questions. Just go by step, okay, and definitely chances are maximum that you can answer the question, okay. And already you know the caution, okay, classification caution you already know, that I told you. See, 140 45, 110 45, 100 30, 80 25, okay. Now if you observe carefully here, the gap is there, okay, much gap is there, means addition subtraction will be not the case. Let's try with your multiplication or either division, okay. So I will try with like I can say division. Let's try with division. So see, 45 is there, 45 square 9 means 45 2s are 90, okay. Again add 45, you will get 135. So remainder is 5, okay. Here also 35 is there, 35 35 75 70 and 35 is your 105. Again the remainder I am getting 5, okay. Here I am getting remainder 33 is a 90, so remainder I am getting 10, okay. And here I am getting remainder as 25 3 is a 75 and 80 means remainder again 5. So in this and this I am getting remainder as a 5, but here I am getting remainder as a 10. So my answer is C, okay. C is your odd one out. Now you can try with multiplication also. Similarly, I did here division. You can try multiplication. See, so 45 into 3, okay, plus 5, okay, 45 into 3 plus 5, so I will get 140. Again similarly 35 into 3 plus 5, okay, I will get the things. Then again 25 into 3 plus 5, okay. So logic is into 3 plus 5 also and remainder also, whatever you like you can use, okay. But I prefer here whenever the gap is large, okay, just carefully note down this thing. Whenever the gap between the numbers is very much large, then there is a higher chances to apply multiplication or division, okay. Like suppose here I am getting 5, then here 25, here 125. So this is the case of multiplication, okay, this is the case of multiplication, okay. Similarly, if I have 5, 10, 15, then definitely I can see here plus 5, plus 10, okay, addition. So whenever the gap is small, addition or subtraction, whenever the gap is large, multiplication, division, this same thing we will apply in your very important chapter number series, okay, where there is missing and wrong. So just remember from now only, very important, okay. Next thing, see, 8 25, 15 46, 6 22 and 13 40, definitely square cube logic will fail now, okay. Let's observe carefully what could be the logic. Okay, so what I told you that whenever there is a gap, okay, just apply your multiplication or division. Now see, 8 then 25. I know that 8 3s are 24 and then plus 1. Okay, I am trying to decode the logic. I don't know till now what is the logic. 15 3s are 45 plus 1. Okay, 6 3s are 18, but here I am getting plus 4 because 22 is there na. 6 3s are 18 plus 4 22. Okay, and here 13 3s are 39 and plus 1. So logic is this. Okay, logic is this. Now similarly you can just divide 25 by 8. You will get remainder as 1. Here also you will get remainder as 1. Here you will get remainder as 4. Here you will get remainder as 1. Similarly, okay, like the previous question. So like this you will solve. So obviously you got the answer. That is your C. Okay. Let's move to question number 6. See, 104, 78, 96, 80, 64, 48 and 80, 60. Okay. Now here what I will do, see, 104 and 78 is there. I know if I add 22 here, then I will get 100, and 22 and 4, 26. Okay. Here I have again 16. Here I have 16. the gap is this 12 and 4 16, and here I have 20. Okay, here I have 20 means addition logic fail basically. Okay, let's try something new. Addition subtraction logic fail. Okay, suppose now see I have gap, I got the gap of 26 here among 104 and 78, but I know, or we can take this example that 80 and 60, okay, the gap is 20. I know that 24 is 80 and 23 is 60. Okay, now this logic, that is into 3 into 4, I need to check whether it is satisfying or not. So see, 16 4 is 16, 3 is okay, satisfying. Okay, here 16 96 is there, means 16 6 is and 80 we do not we can't do. Okay, means 85 is. So here I am getting into 5 and into 6, here I am getting into 3 and into 4. Here 26, see 26 4 is 26 4 is 104. Okay, and 26 3 is that is 78. So this is the logic. See, this is the logic, that is into 4 into 3 into 4 into 3 into 4 into 3. Okay, so the only option which is not satisfying this logic is your option B. So like this you need to compulsory solve. Okay, now here see, if some student think another way, then he or she may get the 4 is common. Okay, with 4 we can divide 104 and 78. Here also we can divide 104 and 76. Okay, no, 4 is common, like this multiplication. Okay, factor 4 factor as a common you can think. So factor 4 is common, but here we have factor 5 6. Okay, here we have factor 5 6, like this also you can think, but this is the best logic. Okay, this is the best logic. If you get any new logic in this question, then comment down below. Okay, I will appreciate it definitely. So just try to get another logic. You got the answer that B is the odd one out. Okay, just try to get another logic. It may fun for you. Okay, question number 7. 3 9 5 25 7 49 8 64. Okay, now see, we by observation only we can see that 3 square 5 square 7 square 8 square, but all are square, means common logic. Okay, we need to find odd one out. Okay, so we need to think now what could be the we can do. See, so the only thing here is different. This 3 and 9 are odd. Okay, 5 and 25 are odd, 7 49 are odd, but 8 and 64 is even. Okay, so the answer is this, because it is even and all the things are odd. Okay, so even or logic is also there. So just note down this also in your notes. In the starting slide I missed this, right? So let's go to question number 8. 62 26. Okay, 38 83 44 44 71 87. Now by observation only I can see 62, then the digit reverse 26, 80 38, then it become 83, 44 44 44 44. Okay, so answer is this directly. The answer is this. So by observation, okay, sometimes we can get the answer in the seconds. Okay, in a seconds. Definitely it depends on your practice. Okay, don't forget this. Okay, question number 9, you can see the 6 13 24 12 19 30 18 25 34 and 44 7 31 24 31 and 42. Okay, so then the gap is very little. So let's do with your subtraction or addition, whatever you can say. So 6 6, here we have gap of 7, here I have gap of 7 and 4 11. Okay, here also I have gap of 7, here also I have gap of 11. Here again the 2 and 5 means gap of 7, and here I have gap of 9. Here I have gap of 7, and here again I have gap of 11. Okay, so definitely the answer is C, is odd one out. Others following the logic, plus 7 plus 11. Okay, like this you can do. Okay, so this is the type 2 of classification, that is pair form, right? Now the last type, and this type is not last, is last for classification. Okay, but this is the starting part, you can say starting type for your next chapter, coding decoding. Okay, so tomorrow we will discuss, but for this classification we will end this. So we will just we will just see two things here. First, you need to remember compulsory, very compulsory for you, that alphabetical numbers. Okay, so position of alphabets, that is A is 1, B is 2, like this you need to remember by heart. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you a trick that how you can just remember this in coding decoding, but for now just you need to remember this. Okay, Second, you should know what is vowels. Okay, what is vowels? So A, E, I, O and U. Okay, these 5 are vowels. So A, E, I, O, U, and others, all the others remaining are consonant. Okay, consonants. So others. Right, this much information is enough. Now just we will go to the questions. Okay, see, AE, CG, JN, MO. Okay, again you need to find odd one out. Okay, see, now just check the gap. You know the position. A means you are 1, E means you are 5. Okay, I don't like this color on white, so let me take dark color. Okay, gap is of 4. C means 3. Okay, G, E, F, G. E means 5, F means 6, G means 7. Again gap of 4. J, okay, so E, F, G, H, I, J means 10, L, M, N, that is your 14. That is your 14. Again gap is of 4. But here L, M, N, O, L, M, N, O, gap of only 1. Right, so answer is MO. So that's why it is very important to remember the position. So quickly you can answer the questions. Okay, then question number 2 here. CBED, JILK, TSVU and VZXY. Okay, now see, here the position is 3, 2. Okay, here the position is 3, 2. Then I am getting 5 here. E is 5 and D is 4, means 3, 2, 5, 4. Okay, like this. Here also IJ. Okay, IJ, I means 9, J means 10, and here KL. Okay, KL. So K means 11 and this is your 12. Okay, 11, 12. Then T means 20. Okay, and S means 19 because ST. Then U means 21 and V 22. Right, 22. Okay, see, 4, 5, 11, 12, 21, 22. Okay, till now everything is satisfying. Next is your VZ. Okay, so STU, U is 21, V is 22, so 22. But here the Z, okay, here the Z is what? 26. So see, here I have a gap of 1, here also I have a gap of 1, here also I have a gap of 1, but here I have a gap of 4. Okay, so obviously the answer is this. This is your odd one out. Okay, this is your odd one out. Now in this also addition logic you can check, but first always check for position. Okay, always check for position combinations. Then addition logic also you can check when this logic is failed. That is 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 4 14, like this. Okay, then check whether you are getting or not, like this. But here definitely the logic is of position. Okay, then the third question. NPLRJ, TVRXQ, FHDJB and WYUAS. Okay, now very big letters. Okay, let's decode the logic. See, okay, now whenever we have this, okay, whenever we have this, definitely you can check the position like this, that N, then in N, LMNOP means plus 1. If I did plus 1, then I will get P. Okay, LMNOP, so plus 1. Again L is there, so LMNOP means minus 4. In P, if I do minus 4, then I will get what? L. Like this you can do, like this you can do. But the best approach in this, okay, is your alternating series. See, what is the meaning of alternating? I use this frequently. So whenever you have odd number of digits, that is here we have 5 letters which is odd. Okay, always the logic means 99% logic follows of alternative series. How? See, N, okay, then you need to check this, and then again you need to check this, like this. Okay, and here you need to check this, P and R. So now let's check. See, P, Q, R. Okay, I will just here I will write again. Okay, see, P, what I told you, this and this. Okay, so P, Q, R, one gap. Okay, one gap. And here, see, now this is inverse. This is going to inverse, that is NRJ. So I will come from here. I will start from here. Okay, so EFG, HI, J, K, L, M, N. See, J, K L M N. Okay, here K is not there, M is not there, but J L N is there. Okay, I hope you got the logic now. I hope you got the logic. Similarly, apply to this. See, O P Q R S. No, so wait. O P Q R S T U. Okay, so here it is not satisfying. Let's check this. B C D E F. Here it is satisfying. Okay, here it is also satisfying. And let's check this. S T U V W. Okay, see, W is there, U is there. So here it is also satisfying. So the odd one out is your B. Okay, odd one out is your B. So like this you need to solve. So just apply this always whenever you find odd number of places or digits. Okay, and the last question, see, A B U E. Okay, only you have this, so you know that A U E is your vowels. Already told na, vowels, and B is your consonant. So definitely the answer is B. Okay, the answer is B. So like this only you may get the question in your DFC cell. Okay, out of these 3 topics. Now tomorrow we will continue to your next chapter, which is coding decoding. Now from here also, okay, from here only we will start. That is your later. So what is your work? Just remember 1 to 26 position of alphabets compulsory. Okay, very effectively you should remember. Okay, any query, any doubt, anything, just comment down below. Just wait for your economics class and then you can sleep properly. Okay, all the best.